One morning, the Chubby Controller told Teddy and Janet they needed to pick up passengers from London.
Piss off,
said Teddy.
London's a security nightmare.
Yeah, bollocks,
said Janet.
I'm not picking up any terrorists.
You pick up terrorists, you'll be nick for aiding and abetting like Peter,
said Teddy.
I don't want to be sent to Guantanamo like he was.
OK, what if I introduce partial screening, said the Chubby Controller. Like x-rays and sniffer dogs.
Sniff this,
said Teddy.
And shove it up your ass,
said Janet. Christ, said the Chubby Controller. I fucking hate talking trains.